start off, I'm taking my Illamasqua foundation. This is the most porcelain color I own. And I haven't really been tanning this summer, surprisingly. I've been indoors a lot, so matches my neck. I'm not sure about my shoulders, but we're wearing a long sleeve dress, but I am just covering all my redness. Oh, that 6 o'clock in the morning glow, as I like to say. But of course, I did promise that after the Daphne look, I was going to do Eloise. I honestly was so drawn to her makeup. It was very glowing and youthful, and I loved everything about it. I just found myself staring at her face a lot. And she's not the main character, so that says a lot about the makeup. But yeah, I'm just going to cover my whole face. Kind of looks like a mask right now, but it'll all work out. I just turned on my other light so you guys can get a better picture. Now I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and concealing this redness and dark circles under my eyes. If you guys are new here, then you wouldn't know, but I wake up at 6 in the morning to film my videos because I have to work. So this is the only time I have, sometimes on the weekends, but weekends I'm kind of busy. So then I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder and I'm going to set everything. The makeup that I am going to be basing this off of is the makeup she is wearing when she is talking to the queen. I just loved the way it looked. It was super glowing. Then I'm taking some of this makeup that I got from YesStyle, their summer makeup collection. I'm so excited. Look at this beautiful makeup palette. It's so natural and gorgeous. Of course, everything will be linked down below, but I am taking the lighter shade and running that all over my lids. Then with this peachy muted pink shade, I'm going to place this on the just main lid area. If you guys hear a cat meowing, it's my cat. I can't seem to get him to stop meowing, I guess because I'm not paying attention to him for 1 second. Actually, however long this video voiceover is. So I'm just kind of going to run that peachy corally color in my outer lids, and then taking this brown on the outer corners very gently. We don't want to overdo it because her makeup was very glowing and just natural. So now I am just going to blend those eyeshadows out. And then I'm going to take the darker brown again and use that for an eyeliner. I don't want to just take a black eyeliner because I feel like that is going to make the look a little bit more unnatural, if you say, even though if it's like a very thin line. I just wanted the brown to kind of give it that more natural look. Of course, I'm going to extend the inner corners to give that elongated look. Then I'm taking some of this glitter right here, and I'm just going to place it over top. I know she didn't really have glitter on her eyes, but I feel like it gives kind of like this iridescent glow. And then I'm going to take this Bling Glow pencil. It's like a concealer stick, but I thought it would look great as a neutral shade for the waterline. Of course, all these products are from YesStyle. They have amazing Korean beauty products, and I couldn't wait to try them on camera. This is also from the collection, and it is the Eyelash Serum. Really helps make your eyes and your lashes very healthy. Well, not your eyes, but your eyelashes. You get what I mean. This mascara is also from the collection, from the YesStyle Beauty collection. And it's just a light, natural mascara that is perfect for this Bridgerton look because none of them had super crazy makeup. Then I'm taking this Bare Minerals Kiss of Rose. It's like a bronzer, but with a blush, and I like it because it has speckles in it that make it look very shiny and glowing, just like Eloise looked in the second season. First season, she was kind of more in the background, and she's not really the main character in the second season either, which I'm hoping she will become in the third, but her makeup was so glowy, and I just loved it so much. And I am taking a little bit of highlight on my finger and kind of just blending it on my cheeks. Taking some of I'm taking my beauty blender to kind of blend it out as well because I don't want it to get too unnatural. Then for the lipstick, I am using Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. Very natural lip liner. It's almost like the color of pinkish lips, like what you're born with. And as you can see, the center of my lips is my color of my lips, and it matches perfectly. Then I'm taking Naturally Chic by Milani. This is my favorite just rosy lipstick from the drugstore. I just think it looks really good. But yeah, guys, that is my completed look for Eloise. I loved it. It's such a breath of fresh air. I got these cute little gloves from Shein too. Like, I didn't even get this anticipating an Eloise look, and I'm like, oh my God, these are perfect. And I got this brown wig, and she wore her hair pinned back a lot. So she has the bangs, the chocolate brown hair with waves. Thought this wig looked identical to her. I was shocked. I wish I could have done an updo with it, but with the wig being so short and not my real hair, I couldn't. But me pinning my hair back like this gave that Eloise look 100%. Like, I was shook when I put it on because I really felt like her. I mean, I don't look like her, but I felt like her. You know what I mean? And I'm just showing you that if you did pull your hair back, that this is how it looks. You can see my red hair trying to peep through. Always needs to make a statement. But that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.